welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing something very quick and easy. It's veggie chili along with stuffed mushroom caps. So we have our mushroom here, we have our diced bell pepper, butter, oil, Parmesan cheese. That's for the mushroom cap. Also baby spinach that we'll be stuffing the mushroom cap with, and we have our tomato, our beans. Also we will be doing some steamed veggies, and here is our veggie for our mushroom cap. So we'll get right into it, guys. Stay tuned. So now we're heating the pot with a little oil. Then we'll be adding a cup of onion, cup of bell peppers, three garlics. We're just gonna let it saute a little bit. We don't want it to cook too soft. And also we'll be adding our carrot. One carrot is fine, depending on the size. We just want this to be sauteed for about 5 to 10 minutes, or 8 to 10 minutes. Not quite too thick, then it's going to take more time, right? Evenly thin slices. As you stir, okay, now that our carrots and onions and stuff have been sauteed, now I'm just adding the rest of the ingredients. So my diced tomato, I'll be adding ground cumin, dill weed, chili powder, we'll be adding our beans, one cup of mushroom, and our veggie ground. So we let this cook for about 55 minutes, and then we will show you the finished product. Stay tuned. Okay guys, make sure you stir all your ingredients so that everything is combined nicely, evenly cooked. So as I said before, about 50 to 55 minutes, and this will be ready to consume. Okay guys, so now we are about to get our mushroom chop ready. So we are just sauteing our spinach before we put it in the mushroom. So just add a little water to the pot and a little butter, and add your mushroom, your spinach. So as soon as it started to shrink, that's when you now add it to the mushroom cap. Okay, just add in a few more ingredients. So this is the stem from the mushroom. Nothing go waste, okay? This is very important. This is like the root. You add this in too. And you add a little onion. More stem here. Mix this in. Okay, now it's time for our mushroom caps. So I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese just at the bottom, and then add my filling, and then add a little bit more Parmesan cheese. So now I'm just adding my filling. I think I need a little bit more spinach. Everything got shrunk. Alright, so now I'll be adding a little bit more cheese on top. And now we're placing this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oven was already preheated. While I'm here, I'll just look at my chili. Looking good. So another 30 minutes remaining on the chili here. And my veggie at the back. Beans, broccoli, and cauliflower.